All right, we're here with Geach, Eugene Justice. You want to tell us about when you were at the House of Correction and your experience there?
I was housed at the House of Correction from April of 1989 to approximately June 20th of 1989.
And while you were there, can you give us a brief description of the conditions, like your cell conditions, the overall condition of the jail?
Well, it was pretty much, as everyone knows, it was an old jail, so it was pretty much deteriorating. I mean, it probably didn't have the leaks and the decrepancy that it had become to get it shut down, but it was a deteriorating jail because it was one of the old jails. So, I mean, they wasn't repairing it like, to better the jail. They just was, letting it deteriorate as that time.
So, would you say that the conditions were degrading, far as for your personal self, like living in a cell? Can you tell us about the condition of the cell?
Like I said, it was an old cell. The paint was the paint was chipping, and it was an old cell. You knew that the jail was, like they was probably putting coats on top of coats instead of really doing the jail over. They just was putting coats on top of coats, and the jail was just falling apart then. So, but like I said, I wasn't there long enough to experience the downfall of the jail, but it was deteriorating while I was there.
And I've heard stories about the water there not being clean, having residue in it. Can you attest to any of that?
I can't attest to it as far as looking at it, but I can attest to it as far as people saying it, but it was the only water to drink, so, or use. So I figure if you don't look at it, you would drink it.
Did you see rodents or any of those things while you were there? Mice, rats?
Yeah, they was rapid. It was a part of, it was their jail too.
All right, well, that's the interview with Mr. Eugene Justice Gee. Thank you.